Beautiful day in the neighborhood. Oh, this is so weird. It is raining and the sun is out in Phoenix, Arizona. That is kind of a little trippy. What do you think, Iris? What do you think? What? Anywho. Okay. There is my passed out mijo. Right. Oh, I got this little black demon bad luck. Your bad luck. Oh, what? What's up, mister? What? What? Yeah, let's see. Right. You can still hear the thunder. Getting dizzy. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh man, I gotta work in this office. Anyways. Oh. Rain in Arizona. It's time to freak out, people. Okay. All right. Yeah, I get it. Oh, I'm so glad it helped. I want to work here.